how it feels to help people from the comfort of your own home, to be the voice that reassures, guides, and resolves issues, to be part of a team that values your contribution and supports your growth. Well, ponder no more. Welcome to a unique work-from-home opportunity with Assurant as a customer care agent. Imagine a workday that never feels the same. Each call, each customer brings a different situation that challenges your problem-solving skills. You're not just following a script, you're thinking on your feet, adapting to the situation, and finding the best solution for the customer. But you're not doing it alone. You're part of a high-performing team that collaborates and supports each other. You're part of a community that values your contribution and wants to see you succeed. And it's not just about the job satisfaction. From day one, you're covered with medical benefits. You'll receive competitive compensation and paid time off. And as you grow with the company, you'll find ample opportunities for career advancement. As a customer care agent, you'll be responsible for addressing customer queries, explaining claim procedures, and navigating multiple systems. You'll adhere to quality metrics, handle calls with repair facilities, process claim payments, and work on off-phone items like claim audits. And if you're bilingual, your ability to speak, read, and write Spanish fluently will be a great asset. The ideal candidate for this role has a high school diploma or GED, and at least 1 year of experience in an office, call center, or customer contact environment. You'll need excellent written and verbal communication skills, strong customer service abilities, and the capacity to work with frequent interruptions and under deadlines. And while you're working remotely, you'll need to have internet services with a minimum speed of 25 megabits per second for download and 15 megabits per second for upload. So, if you're a problem solver who loves helping people, who thrives in a fast-paced environment, and who is passionate about customer service, this is the opportunity for you. It's time to take your career into your own hands. It's time to apply for the customer care work-from-home opportunity with Assurant.
Increase your chances of landing this awesome position with our ATS-friendly, eye-catching resume template, tailored to showcase your skills, qualifications, and achievements. So stop by tmacvipservice.com website to increase your chances of making a positive impression on potential employers. Thank you for watching and happy virtual job hunting.